On that video, I'm going to show you now how to do a reflection, but without a grid. So we said before that the image of each point is located on the other side of the reflection line, and it's at the same perpendicular distance. So we need to draw perpendicular lines. So if you remember how to draw a perpendicular line, there's different ways of doing it. The way I prefer is using the protractor. So you put the 90-degree line on the reflection line, and you make sure that you're really next to one vertex. And then you just draw a line that goes on the other side of the reflection line. And you do exactly the same thing from each vertex. So make sure that it's really precise, otherwise it's not gonna work. I'm gonna turn the paper. And finally, I can do this again like I did before, like the previous examples. Or if I prefer, I can also use triangles and just slide them, because they should be all parallel to each other. So you don't really know exactly how long you need to draw those lines, but you have a very good idea because you know that it's going to be the same distance, but on the other side of the reflection line. So now you can measure those distance with your ruler or with the compass. Here it's really, really small, so I'm not going to use the compass. I'm going to use my ruler. So this distance is 0.3. I'm going to measure 0.3 also on the other side. So that's the image. This point is on the right side of the reflection line. So its image is going to be on the left side of the reflection line. I measure it. This time it's 0.5 or 5 millimeters. So same thing on the other side of the reflection line. This point is now on the left side of the reflection line. I measure the distance from that point to the reflection line, 1.6. Its image is going to be 1.6 centimeters, but on the right side of the reflection line. I have my 3 points. Now I connect them. You will see that they overlap, and that makes sense because the reflection line was going through the figure. And the two figures are identical. Again, it's like a mirror here, the reflection line. The two figures are exactly the same. So now you can practice.